Hello everyone and welcome back to Chao. Today we are going to make 3 exciting and delicious boba drinks. Because I'm going to make 3 boba drinks in 22 ounces cups, I am going to use a 1 liter French press to brew our tea. I'm going to use a regular black tea. I'm using my own blend here, but feel free to use whatever you have that is available to you or that is your current favorite. So black tea. For this I am going to use 40 grams of black tea into the French press, and then I'm going to pour 1 liter, so up to the top is 1 liter of hot water. I'm going to pour up to 1 liter into the French press. Okay, and then put the lid on, but do not push the plunger just yet. I'm going to soak this for about 10 minutes. I don't want to soak it any longer because the longer you soak it, the tea could get bitter. So I'm going to start the timer right now for 10 minutes. Okay, let me put this aside for now. So whilst we are waiting for our tea to brew, let's prepare our cups with the other ingredients. I'm going to make them 2 tones. So I'm going to put the color at the bottom of each of these cups. Let's start by making our pink milk tea, which is using the Thai Sala. For 22 ounces cup, I am going to use 30 ml of Thai Sala syrup. So I'm going to put 1 pump for this is 10 ml. So 1, 2, 3. You can adjust the sweetness level as you make your own experiment on these recipes. Okay? And to this, I am going to add 30 ml of evaporated milk. There you go. And then that's it. That is our bottom layer. For the second one, I am going to use the same recipe. Once again, I am going to use 30 ml of my syrup. So this is 1 pump is 10 ml. So again, 1, 2, 3. And also, I am going to use the same amount of evaporated milk, which is 1 ounce or 30 ml of evaporated milk. So there you go, 30 ml of evaporated milk. Finally, we are going to make brown sugar milk tea, and for this I am only going to put 15 ml of my brown sugar plus 30 ml of the evaporated milk. The reason for the 15 ml is because I am going to use the brown sugar around the cup instead. Okay, so there you go. Let us put this one here. So this is brown sugar with evaporated milk. Time is up. Our tea is ready. The resulting tea is about 900 ml. Okay, so we lost about 100 ml. And for this, I am going to put 120 grams of creamer. Okay, and also just 50 grams of sugar. If you are using only milk tea and there's no flavor, you can make this up to 100. But because I'm going to add flavor later, I'm going to make it less sweet and just add 50 grams of sugar into this mix. And there I have my brewed milk tea ready for my drink. And just so that I am guaranteed it is well combined, I'm going to use my frother to just froth this drink. There you have it, 3 beautifully presented boba milk tea. Let's give each one of them a try. Wow, that is delicious. I can taste the tea, I can taste the ube, and the pearls soft and chewy. Now for our pink boba. That is very refreshing. And when you mix the pink Sala or the Thai Sala with your tea, it looks almost pinkish. It looks good, it tastes good. This flavor is one of a kind. You must give it a try. Refreshing. And finally, well, most of you would know that the tiger sugar or the sugar design along the sides of the cup don't last very long. So as soon as it's served to you, you must take a photo and drink it immediately. It looked good. Now let's see whether it tastes as good. The taste of the brown sugar stands out in this one. Well, you can skip putting the brown sugar at the bottom if that is, if you find that it is too sweet. But what I find with brown sugar is that it is not actually sweet. So this one is just perfect. Although I put 15 ml of brown sugar at the bottom and also surrounded the cup with a lot of brown sugar. The taste is not sweet at all. It is just perfect. And the smell is good. It smells of the tea and the brown sugar. It is delicious. So there you have it, 3 different types of boba tea that you can try or you can add to your milk tea or coffee shops or simply to try at home. If you have any questions about these recipes, do let me know. Especially this time we use bulk brewing. What I would say about this recipe is that the use of evaporated milk instead of fresh milk made the taste of the tea even more flavorful. It smells good, it tastes good, it is creamy. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, click that subscribe button. Share the love with me. In the meantime, take care, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.